How to check Google activity on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in Google Activity. From the results, go to My Activity. This page helps Google make services more useful for you, like helping you rediscover the things you've searched for, read, and watched. Scroll down and go to Web and App Activity. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Manage all Web and App Activity. Web and App Activity includes the things you do on Google services, like Maps, Search, and Play. From here, you can now view your activity, delete it manually or choose to delete it automatically using the controls on this page. Following these steps, you can check Google activity on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.